Today, we are going to talk about how partners utilize WowYow's AI and visual search technology for audience development. Every video on a partner's site is automatically analyzed by WowYow's visual AI. Our AI finds all valuable data points in a video and creates up to 80 unique and new metadata per 1 minute of video. This is our publisher platform, which houses the database used for audience development. In this example, our visual AI indexed the pocket aces seen throughout this video. This created the perfect opportunity for audience development. With AI, WowYow's technology found additional content on the publisher's website about pocket aces and seamlessly linked the index to the destination. Let's take a look at the user journey and how it all comes together in a live environment. What you are looking at is a video posted on a publisher partner's website that has one of WowYow's visual search interfaces enabled. Viewers search simply by scrolling through the images below and clicking on anything of interest. Now, to bring this full circle, those pocket aces that WowYow identified, indexed, and connected to additional content are represented here in the carousel below. When the viewer clicks, they are taken to a new page and video about the pocket aces. For publishers, this is the holy grail, keeping users engaged, on-site longer, and each new page view resulting in additional revenue. And that's audience development with WowYow.